Hello everyone, and thank you guys so much for checking out my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Hush haul slash review slash first impression slash whatever else you say for these videos. Alright, so I have bought 4 different palettes off of Hush. I didn't want to go too crazy before I knew like the quality of these products because so I have purchased a couple of these palettes to just kind of see their quality, to see if I'm going to like them, to see if they're actually what they claim for them to be. This is not sponsored by Hush. I'm not affiliated with Hush. I just saw something that people were raving over and I was like, you know what? I have to try it. And then I'm actually just gonna see for myself. So this is the app. It's an app on your phone. It's super easy to use. This is stuff that they offer. All of these palettes are like $10 to $12 to $16 and they're supposed to be basically dupes or like knockoff brands of some of the more expensive name brand palette. First, let's start with the Athena Bad Habit palette. So it's beautiful packaging. It is super like heavy. Like I wasn't expecting them to be heavy. This one costed me $12. It has 18 shades and it is the dupe for the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, which retails for about $65. The colors are quite nice. They mimic exactly the Desert Dusk palette from Huda Beauty. They're just in a different order. So I'm impressed. I haven't swatched any of these yet, so we're gonna swatch them together. So let's just go ahead and swatch a couple. Wow, it's really creamy. Let's just swatch a couple of them. Wow. Okay. Okay. Let's do this really like sparkly purple. I can't see. Wow. All right. These are super pigmented for a $12 palette. I'm speechless. This was 12 bucks. And the color payoff and the pigment is amazing. Okay, so right away you can tell that this is like a super glitter. Like it's so messy. It's so messy. All right. So it is almost too good to be true. No, just kidding. So you might have to use this Daring shade right here. You might have to use this with like a glitter glue because it's definitely a glitter shade. I don't hate it, but it's literally just like, look, if I just blend it out like this, it's just like glitter all over my hand. So this is the Aphrodite. And this one, I love the gold and it's kind of really similar to how they package the Athena. This is the dupe for the Rose Gold edition at Huda Beauty. Look at it. The colors, man. Look at them. They are beautiful. And they're just again, they're in a different order. So let's swatch a couple of these. Do this pink color. It's called Flirt. Let's try Lust and Romance. All right, I'm gonna do them down here because I've already kind of. That is, they're not bad, honestly. They're pretty pigmented. They do have some fallout even from swatching them. So clearly they're not $65 like quality, but I don't think they're bad at all. They're actually quite pigmented for a $12 palette. Because honestly, I was kind of expecting like a dollar store quality almost when I got these, but these are like really creamy and they're may the Lord bless me. Yeah, so let's try. Yeah, so this is like super pigmented for a $12 palette. Okay, I think we can work with these. These are great. For literally $12, like honestly, I know they're not $65 quality, but for 12 bucks, they're better quality than what I thought they would be. So props to you, Hush and Bad Habit. Ooh, I'm ready to use this one. Like I want to do a tutorial on this one already. So this is the Aura from Bad Habit. This one was actually $10, I think, on Hush. Nope, I'm sorry, it was 12. This is the dupe for the Prism Anastasia Eye Makeup palette. You can see it has that yellow and that orange, and the green. I like, if these colors are legit what I think they're going to be, I'm gonna use this like every day, you guys. So I want to swatch this like yellow. Whoa. I'm gonna swatch a couple on my hand and then I will show you guys. These, you guys, whoa. These are really pigmented. Okay. So you guys can look at these colors. Like, 12 bucks? Really? This is one swipe. Look at that yellow. Yes, honey, yes. Okay, I'm shook. I also look a mess, but we're just gonna pretend like that's not there. So the last palette that I bought was actually a highlighting palette. It is a dupe for the Anastasia Sugar Glow Kit, which retails for about $40. Oh, and also, before I get too far, this one, the Anastasia palette, actually retails for about $42. So you're getting a steal. Hello. So this is the Paradise palette from Bad Habit. Look at this. It looks exactly like the Anastasia Sugar Glow Kit. They also have one called Oasis, which is for like darker skin tones, but since I am not dark in any way, I am super pale. This is a beautiful palette. So what I'm actually gonna do, I love the color, like the shades, or the shade names. It's Sunkissed, White Sands, Resting Beach Face, and Mai Tai, maybe? So let's see, first off I'm gonna swatch them with my fingers that has all kind of eyeshadow on it. So this is the White Sands. What? They are so creamy. Holy crap. Not hating these. They're actually really shimmery. You can't really see because my arm doesn't turn that way. Nope. But you guys, these are super pigmented. I actually left off my highlight so I could try these in this video. So I'm gonna try the White Sands. I'm just gonna dab a little bit on my Morphe highlighting brush and see. What? What? I'm shook. Do you guys see this? Oh. I don't think you guys can see, like, I'm gonna take this gold shade, the Resting Beach Face, and go over this and build it up a little bit. You guys, oh my god. Why would I spend $40 on a palette when I can buy one for $10 that works literally the same? Oh. Do you guys see this highlight? Do you see? Where have you been all my life? I'm just gonna keep building it up. So clearly you have to build it up a little bit more than you would like one that's a little more pigmented or pressed differently, like I'm sure the Anastasia Glow Kit is. But y'all, I am so shook right now. This was $10. What? You guys, I'm sorry. I just need a minute because highlighter is like my favorite thing in the entire world. And the fact, do you guys see what is happening to my face right now? It is literally glowing. Oh my Lanta. Okay, so this was a score. 100%. 100%. This was $10. So Hush, you have outdone yourself. I'm so excited to try these eyeshadow palettes. They're super pigmented. Yep. Hush, good job. So if you have not tried Hush, go download the app. It's super, super easy to order stuff. Almost too easy, which is probably why they wanted it to be that way. Because then people were like, whoop, didn't even mean to buy it. Whoops, but it was only $10. That would be my logic. Moving on. So go try Hush. They have amazing palettes that honestly are pretty dang good quality. Now clearly you're not gonna get the quality of a palette that you spend $65 on, but you're also not gonna get like a Dollar Tree type of product. This is super heavy. It's super, the packaging is amazing. It's got magnet. I love it. I love it. This is such a great alternative for someone who doesn't want to spend that much money on their palettes, but they still want the colors or the color payoff or the pigmentation of a nice product. I would totally recommend this to you. Go ahead, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Don't wait. Okay, I'm sorry, that was weird. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Go and comment down below. Share it on your Facebook, your Instagram, and all them other social medias. And then subscribe! Because I put out new videos every Monday and every Thursday. Okay, be sure to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and all the other things I was supposed to say at the end of the end of a video.